Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can change your address or your home address on a Spotify account. So the process of changing your address on a Spotify application is actually really simple, but many people still struggle with the process. So make sure to watch this video till the end to learn how to change the address, and without further ado, let us get started. First off, you want to make sure that you have the Spotify application downloaded on your desktop or your laptop. If you don't have the Spotify application, simply open any of your browser which you have in your Windows and head over to spotify.com. Once you go to spotify.com, wait for the page to load up and make sure that you are actually logged into your account. If you are logged in, on the right hand side you can see the profile icon. When you click on it, you can see the option accounts. What you want to do is you want to actually ignore this and scroll down until you see the option in the green button which says Open Web Player. So click on Open Web Player and wait for another page to load up. When you wait for another page to load up, this is how the user interface of your Spotify homepage looks like. On the top right hand side you can see your profile along with the profile picture. Simply click on the arrow icon, and here you can see three options which says account, profile and log out. What you want to do is simply select the first option which says account. Now this will open the menu or the interface of your account overview. On the left hand side you can see how you can customize many things such as your profile, your account overview, premium family and edit profile. So in order to change the address, you don't want to go to edit profile or this address. What you want to do is select your current plan. Currently my plan is the premium family plan. So on the left hand side select your plan. Wait for the tab to open up. As you can see, this is my current plan, and on the right hand side you can see your current address. So this is my current address. Now if you want to learn how to change this address, simply on the bottom you can see the blue text which says change address. Click on it, and here it will ask you for a confirmation that if you want to change the address, Spotify will also ask the other premium members on the Spotify family plan to confirm that they live at the new address. So what you want to do is select the blue button which says change address. As you can see, now here you will have to enter a new address. Make sure that you are very specific while entering your address, otherwise Spotify will not accept the address if it is too vague and unclear. Make sure you also have the apartment number and your room number, the street number and the zip code included. So once you find the address, it will also verify with the Google Maps. Once the address has been specified, scroll down to the bottom and click on the blue button which says Find Address. As you can see the pop-up which says do you want to confirm your address, so simply click on Confirm. Once you click on Confirm, it will save the changes and you can see that your address has been successfully updated. So this is how you can really easily change your address on your Spotify account or your Spotify application. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, do leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we will bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.